Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sky High Info. In today's video, I will discuss about the reading true, false and not given. Most of the students face problem in solving this type of questions and they always get confused whether they have answered the right option or not. After answering true, they get confused whether it was false or not given. So let us solve this type of problem. Here's a passage. Read this passage. Okay, after reading the passage carefully, let's see its questions. What the question says. The first question is, there was awareness of underwater noises prior to the 21st century. It says there was already the awareness of underwater noises prior to the 21st century. Underline this on the question. Now, move to the passage. Read the passage again. The first line states, although scientists' study of underwater noises did not begin before our century. Our century means 21st. We are talking about the 21st century. Further, their existence has long been known, which means they have been known before our century, which means this statement is true. Very easy. Okay, moving to the second question. Second question is, Leonardo da Vinci tried the old method of listening of underwater sound. Here the main thing is Leonardo da Vinci tried this method of listening to the underwater sound. Now what we have to see in our passage, whether this Leonardo da Vinci has tried this method to listen the underwater sounds or not. First, see, look at the passage again. The passage states, Leonardo da Vinci, the famous artist inventor of 15th century, no information till now, is credited with recommending that a person listening to a handle of an oar dipped vertical into the water. Has given an example. He has recommended, but he has not tried. So this kind of information is missing. This kind of information is missing from our passage. So it is not given. Moving towards the third question. Primitive fishermen were the first to invent the oak method of listening to underwater sound. Primitive fishermen were first to invent the old method of listening to the underwater sound. Always try to highlight or underline the keywords and try to match them with the paragraph. So let's see in the paragraph, primitive fishermen in the South Seas and West Africa actually use this method, having invented it for themselves. Clearly mentioned that the fishermen in the South Sea and West Africa usually use this method. They use this method, okay, they have written, having invented for themselves. But here it is not written that they were first to invent. It is not written anywhere. It can be somewhere else, those who have invented. So information is missing. They are not written they were first or they were least. If they have written they were third, in that case we will mention it as false, but the information is not given, so it will not given. Towards the fourth question, what the fourth question says, research has proven that fish communicate a lot, which means fish communicates a lot. Now look at the paragraph. What the paragraph says, Fishermen who use the method rely upon the fact that fish are, as is now clear from scientific research, incredibly garrulous. The key word is garrulous. What is the meaning of this word garrulous? Garrulous means talkative. So now again read the question. Research has proven that fish communicate a lot, which means they are talkative. So the statements are matching with each other and the answer is true. I hope friends, true, false, not given is clear to you. Keep practicing at home and keep following my videos.